Hi, the app can be recorded from the downloaded from the Play Store. So you install it. So this has a little video also, right? So this is the app, experience personal care with FimbleFits. Stay connected with your doctors anywhere. So basically this is for patients, so that they remain connected with doctors, and patients are able to take control of your health using FimbleFits Remote Patient Monitoring platform. Okay, so you have this screen, and then you have a consent form, sync pain levels, sync glucose levels. So glucose levels is for diabetic patients, sync pain levels is for pain management. It could be post operation pain management, and arthritis pain management, right? So there's a simple consent form. You can fill the consent form, and then you have a name, age, and then you can select your treating doctor also, right? And then you sync pain levels. So you say they say please fill the consent form first, right? So let's fill the consent form quickly. So you have here option of post-operative pain to post-operative patient, arthritis or diabetes. So I have selected Dr. Shashikant. I have giving a consent so that FimbleFits can share my data with the doctor. I submit it, right? So I go to pain levels. So there's a scale, and then I can tell which what is my pain level. Let's say I select moderate. Thanks for submitting your pain levels. You choose moderate pain levels. Your doctor will keep a watch, right? And I can send a message also that I'm not feeling okay. So that there's a doctor's dashboard which I'm not showing right now. So that from that doctor dashboard they can see the everyday data of the patients, pain levels data of the patients, and then they can also see the message from the uh, patient. So sync glucose level, sync via Bluetooth, but mostly we are focusing on the sync manually. You have registered for pain, you can only register for one condition. So for that we might need to uninstall the app, and then you can take a look at the sync glucose levels also, where patient feeds the glucose data, right? So there is a companion dashboard. I can show you the dashboard also. So this is the dashboard, right? So if there is any doctor, let's say I've selected the doctor, and the different patients under the doctor comes, the doctor can select the patient, it can do a search. So here the patient specific details can come, and then you can look at the data also. So this is the data, the everyday data of the patients.